Hey, independent seventh graders. It's Mrs. Hinkley here with Mrs. Douglas. We're trying really hard not to laugh. Been doing this for a while now. Right now, we're going to be talking to you about mode. And mode, when we talk about mode, we are talking about what happens the most. Mode and most sound a lot alike. So when we're looking at what happens the most, you can either look at it from a set of data like you see right here. They're showing us the lengths of 12 different sticks that she found in her garden. She is all about, in her self-quarantining time, trying to use what she has around her to increase her math skills. So she measured the sticks around her, and here's what she has. And what we notice is when we look to see which measurement happened the most, she made herself a chart here, the length of the stick and how many times that happened. So you can look at it here, which number of sticks was the biggest, and it shows up right here. You could also look to see which number shows up the most, and putting them in order helps. If you look here, it happened the 8 centimeters happened all of those times. So 8 centimeters was the length of stick that she saw the most. So that's why it was the mode of the set of data.
Distinctly, sometimes on the number of sticks it shows up as a frequency chart. So instead of the number 2, you might see 2 tally marks like that. So just be aware that it shows up that way also.
Good point. And still you can see that happen more here than any other time.
And so 8 wasn't necessarily the biggest number, it's just the one that occurred the most frequent.
That's why it's called a frequency chart.
Okay.
Okay, so this again is a dot plot. And just as a reminder that this means that there were 3 families that only had one child, this family, and this family. 2 families had 4 children. Here's a family with 4 kids. Here's another family with 4 kids. So what was the family size that happened the most? Dot plots are really easy to see because you're just looking for the tallest of the stacks. The tallest stack is the 3. So the most common number of kids in a family were 3 children. So that's how you do mode with a frequency table and a dot plot. And we'd like for you to try some on your own. And if you feel like it, go out into your garden and find some sticks and measure them. Just saying. Have a great day. We'll see you later.
You can count bugs.
That's true. That would work too. Bye, guys.